वेलकम बैक। माइक्रो फाइनेंस कंपनी बंधन को बैंकिंग लाइसेंस मिलने के बाद अब नजर इस बात पर है कि बंधन का बैंक कब शुरू होगा। उसने तय समय सीमा के भीतर बैंक खोलने का दावा किया है और बंधन ने बैंक खोलने के पहले ही 1 करोड़ अकाउंट खोलने का लक्ष्य रखा है। और बंधन के फाउंडर CS घोष ने NPA उनके लिए खास चुनौती नहीं है ऐसा कहा है। घोष से खास बातचीत की है हमारी सहयोगी हर्षदा सावंत ने।
बंधन एक बैंक है जिसको हाल ही में बैंकिंग लाइसेंस मिला है। कंपनी ये बैंक कितनी जल्द अपनी सेवाएं शुरू करेगा, इस सब पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ मौजूद है बंधन के फाउंडर मिस्टर घोष साहब। शुक्रिया CME से आवाज से बात करने के लिए। टाइमलाइन दिया गया है सितंबर 2015 तक का, क्या उम्मीद करें उससे पहले बंधन के बैंक्स खुल जाएंगे?
They have given the time of the 18 months. We hope that by 18 months we will be like to open and to start the banking services on that.
किन एरियाज में आप इनिशियली सेवाएं देना शुरू करेंगे ज्योग्राफी वाइज?
Now we are working in the 22 states out of the 30 states of the country, and one thing is there. We are one day will be start the operation to serve to all our existing customers, so that we have not any specific things is there. We can start to from one state. Will be start across the India in a one day, and with the 600 branches and 55 lakhs existing customer. We hope that the day one we have the open the account of 1 crore.
The biggest problem that banking in India faces now is NPAs. You have been, Bandhan has primarily been an MFI, a microfinance institution. Do you see NPAs as a big problem when you lend to smaller entities like MSMEs or SMEs, which a lot of PSU banks have said, yes, that is a problem area?
If you say that we are working in the low income group, there's a poor families and they have not any capacity to give the collateral to receive the loan, but their repayment rate is a 99.5%, and this is already achieved in the last 13 years. So that I feel that it is not any problem on that to NPA issue if we lend to the MSME and SME segment on that. We believe on that it's a depend on repayment, not only the papers, not only the system. It's a depend on build up the relationship with the customer and how the money have been utilized in a proper way. And if they will get the benefit from the money, they will return back it in that. That way we are thinking it is not very high risk in that.
तो क्या बंधन प्राइमरली लो इनकम ग्रुप का ही बैंक बन के रहेगा, या फिर आपकी आशाएं होंगी कॉर्पोरेट लेंडिंग या फिर लार्जर रिटेल लेंडिंग में भी उतरने की?
Bandhan will be bank for every people of the country, rich, middle class and lower class, and we will be served to all. But in the credit side, we think that all of the bank of the country are serving to the corporate sector. So we will be not start with the corporate sector funding. We will be start to the lending to the poor segment, MSME and SME segment. But in the deposit and other services, we will be give to the all kind of people. All citizens are eligible to get the services from us from day one.
Okay. Also, sir, now that you are a banker, आपका आउटलुक क्या है इंटरेस्ट रेट्स को लेकर? कितनी जल्दी आपको लगता है लोअर इंटरेस्ट रेट रेजिम की तरफ हम बढ़ेंगे?
This is the issue, depend on that how much the deposit I have been like to increase on that, and when my deposit will come from the people, so my cost of fund will be reduced on the basis of that. And also you know that when will become a bank and our cost will be little bit increased compared to the microfinance institution. So whatever net off will come, then accordingly gradually will be like to reduce the lending rate to the poor people.
Largely, what is the current outlook for you in terms of lending rates in India?
We are charging 22.4%. This is the lowest interest rate in the microfinance sector, which RBI given us we can be charged at 26%. So this is the lending rate in us.
Alright, लेकिन बाजार पर एक बार नजर डालिए।